Hi everyone, it's Nicole and I'm here with the new digital prints this week, and we're doing the hearts again, and this time they're 1/2 inch. So 1/2 inch, and those will tuck in nicely on some clusters, right? So we have the apples and oranges, we have Cozy Cafe, we have Radiant Rainbow, we have Pastel Paradise, we have Season Spices, and we have Summer Carnival. And those are all our collections, if you will. And then we have just the one color on one sheet, so blue. Then we have bright orange. Then we have brown. We have dark gray. This paper is so thick, it's hard to tell if there's 2 sheets or 1. Then we have green. Then we have light gray. Then we have orange, which is a darker orange than the other one. Then we have peach. Then we have pink. Then we have purple. Then we have red. Then we have turquoise. And then we have yellow. Now, just to show you a size comparison. So this is the 1/2 inch. This is the 1 inch. Maybe I should get the red since it's right here. So it's, you have all the same color. So here's the 1/2 inch, here's the 1 inch, and here's the 2 inches. And again, these are digital files. So as soon as you buy, you get a download and you can print them over and over again. And these, I know some of our digital prints, they fit within a punch. We didn't worry about that for this because all the punches are different, like heart punches. Plus, when we did the ones that had, you know, you could use a 1.5, 1 1/4, 1 inch, it was one shape, if that makes sense. I know that this is one shape, but there's different patterns. So we would have had to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sheets in order to get all the different patterns. But we figured that this is a pretty, you know, simple shape to cut. And just go in, and my arm is still not 100%, so, and I can cut the shape. I didn't do a very good job. I wonder if I'd do a better job if I used a normal scissors, because I'm still kind of getting used to this scissor. I like it, I really like it, but I haven't cut anything detail with it yet. So what I tried to do is I tried to cut the stuff that's easiest first, and then you take your scissor and then you move the paper, not the scissors, and then you shift the paper around. And while I'm doing this, we decided to do a sale, a winter blue sale. I don't know how it is where you are, but winter doesn't seem to stop here. Like every morning we get up and there's some kind of ice buildup or snow. So for a few days we're going to have our winter blue sales, and everything will be 50% off. So by the time this video goes up, everything should be at 50%. So all the digital files will be on for $1, and the bundles will be on for 50% also. So that's it. That's our new digital prints for this week. And I want to thank you so much for watching. Bye.